All right, this is going to help you out. Here is how to transfer photos and videos from an external hard drive to your Apple device. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I'll answer all your tech questions over at cyberguy.com. You can also sign up for my free newsletter while you're there. One of my newsletter subscribers, Frank, hey Frank, wrote in asking how to get the photos from his old external hard drive to his iPad. Well, what you will need is a USB adapter that connects from your iPhone or iPad to your external hard drive. This type of adapter should work for larger external hard drives as well as USB flash drives. Here is one that I recommend that you can get on Amazon right now for just under about 16 bucks. It supports standard photo formats including JPEG and RAW, as well as SD and HD video formats. It's compatible with most iPhones and iPads. Here's all you do. Just plug in the USB stick or hard drive cord into the USB adapter, then plug that into your iPhone or iPad where you'd plug in the charger. Open up the Files app on your iPhone or iPad and open your drive there. You'll see the photos and files you've originally put on that hard drive, and you can save them to your device by selecting them, tapping the share icon, and clicking Save. You could also move them to your iCloud Drive, Dropbox, or whichever app you'd like that you store on. For more ways to save your old memories using today's tech, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.